Hello everyone, welcome back to another MeekFro video. Today I'm showing you how I did my mom's hair using the Superline collection Mermaid Locs. She loves individual crochet locks, so I installed them individually. Here are the locks by Superline collection. They are pre-looped, color 27, Mermaid Locs, 15 inches supposedly. I love these locks, you guys. The color is absolutely gorgeous. Since I'm installing these individually, I will be using extra hair, Afro Soul Bulk by Superline collection, also color 27. Yes, I will be using that to hide the braid. This is the Afro Soul Bulk hair. I just wanted to show you the hair up close. It's basically loose bulk braiding hair. You want to make sure you cut that straight part off the top. I always stress this with my videos. Whenever I use this hair, I always stress to cut the straight part off. And this hair goes a long way, you guys, okay? I also use nail glue to seal the hair. It is not on her real hair, because some of y'all will get that twisted. It is just on the weave. I wrap past her hair and glue the weave. Check out the description box for a link on how to actually do these. I have a tutorial on that. But this is the hair, you guys. Individual crochet locks, individual mermaid locks by Superline collection. This hair doesn't shed or anything. It does slightly stick together on the very ends, just a little bit. It's not annoying, but it does stick together a little bit. It's very lightweight. Took no time to do. I say maybe 3.5 hours we were finished. I used a total of 5 packs and a couple strands out of the 6-pack. And for the Afro Soul Bulk hair, the wrapping hair, I only used 1.5 packs. So altogether you need 6 packs of the locks and 2 packs of the Afro Soul Bulk hair if you're using this particular method. I would highly recommend this method for short to shoulder length hair. If your hair is extremely long, then I would advise you to do the traditional way of the crochet locks, just corn rolling your hair back and crocheting them in, of course. But please use the method that you choose to use when it comes to crochet locks. These locks can be unraveled if you would like to do the individual method where you unravel the hair and wrap it around your braid. You know, those types of methods. There are plenty of them out on YouTube. Just check them out and pick out the one that you like the best if you're into individual crochet locks. That is it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in how I actually did this hair, find the link in the description box. Also, if you're interested in purchasing this hair, find the link in the description box and the total amount of packs. Thanks so much for watching. Thumbs up this video for me, please. Share, comment your concerns. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.